drive and stuff.
They might be on their test now.
Oh my god, maybe. Oh, good luck.
Because that's the dual control car, so.
Oh, I feel like I'm just like come off now.
No. Now what do you think? Will that learner driver slow down before that 20 sign?
Should do.
If they don't.
Will they fail, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Now next roundabout we're going to be turning left. Is he on his brake? No, he's not. He's doing about 26. Just only now he's slowing down for the roundabout. And we need to slow down before this sign. Well done.
Right, what am I doing? Turn left, sorry.
Turning left in the roundabout. You just seen a video where a learner driver, potentially on their driving test, didn't slow down for the 20 zone. So why do every single learner does it in that place? Let's have a look at it. So we're gonna have a 20 zone sign. There's two signs, and at the same time we have a road marking. The reason learners don't slow down for this, because the further down there is a roundabout, and they would have the instruction to deal with the roundabout, and you're so fixated thinking about how you're gonna deal that roundabout that you're not focusing for the signs. That's quite understandable, isn't it? So after you've dealt with the roundabouts, you're more likely now asking yourself a question. What's the speed limit on this road? And you don't see any other signs, because there was a 20 zone sign, and 20 zone signs does not repeat and don't remind you about the speed limit. And you might think, now, okay, I think this road is 30. And you build up the speed, you have gone over the speed limit, and unfortunately you're gonna fail your test now. So take a note and remember that road. Make sure you spot the sign and you slow down before the sign. And as we follow ahead now, we can see 20 zone ends and the 30 speed limit starts. So we're gonna build up the speed when we get past the sign. I hope you can find this video useful and it helps you on your driving test. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'm gonna see you on the next video.